Imagine a world where resources are scarce, and the only way to survive is to recycle everything. A world where every scrap of metal, every drop of water, every ounce of food is precious. Welcome to the spaceship economy. The spaceship economy is a concept that draws a parallel between our planet Earth and a spaceship. Just like a spaceship, Earth has limited resources, and we must manage them carefully to ensure our survival. Think about it. A spaceship has a finite amount of air, water, and food. The crew must recycle and conserve these resources to make them last. Similarly, our planet Earth has a finite amount of natural resources. We must do the same to ensure that future generations have access to them. Why is the spaceship economy important? The concept of the spaceship economy is becoming increasingly important as we face a growing population, climate change, and resource depletion. Population growth is putting a strain on our planet's resources. More people means more demand for food, water, and energy. Climate change is also impacting our resources. Rising sea levels, droughts, and extreme weather events are making it harder to access and conserve resources. Resource depletion is another major concern. Many of the resources we rely on, such as oil, coal, and minerals, are finite. Once they are gone, they cannot be replaced. How can we implement the spaceship economy? To implement the spaceship economy, we must adopt a more sustainable way of living. This means reducing our consumption. We need to learn to live with less and waste less. This includes reducing our consumption of energy, water, and materials. Recycling and reusing. We need to recycle and reuse materials as much as possible. This helps to conserve resources and reduce waste. Developing renewable energy. We need to transition to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydropower. This will help to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Protecting our ecosystems. We need to protect our planet's ecosystems, such as forests, oceans, and wetlands. These ecosystems play a vital role in providing us with resources and regulating the climate. The spaceship economy is a powerful concept that reminds us of our responsibility to care for our planet. By adopting a more sustainable way of living, we can ensure that Earth remains a habitable place for future generations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.